Hey guys, today we are learning about frogs and the process of a frog going from a tadpole to like a full-grown frog. And I don't know if you've ever seen that or learned about that, but it's such a cool thing that it goes from being like a little tiny swimmer to being like this jumping frog with legs. So today we're just going to be building through the process of a frog's metamorphosis. So today, or not today, right now, we have our little tadpole. He's got the little tail. He can swim around, and I'm going to pause this video, and when I come back, he's going to look a little bit different. Alright, now we have the next step of our frog's life process. He's still got a bit of a tail, but now he has legs to move around. So let's see. Oh. Nice. And to make him move, we just did a simple little coating here. We controlled the motor that's connected to it. It went at a speed of 8. It turned this way. It went for 3 seconds and then it stopped. So let's take a look at it again. Nice. And now we have our full-grown frog. So he's lost his tail. He's just got his arms and his legs now. And so he just hops away. There we go. So this kind of showed us a little bit about how a frog develops throughout the years or the time that it's growing. At home, I want you to build your own little frog, and you can build it in whatever stage. You can build it as a tadpole, you can build it as a full adult frog. And I also want you to do a little more research about the process of a frog going from a tadpole to an adult. So you can do that by asking someone that's older that's in your house or going online with your parents' permission. See you next time.